In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a moving background animation slide in PowerPoint using an easy method. Whether you're creating a professional presentation or spicing up a school project, this simple technique will make your work stand out. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already, now is the time to get it running and ready. Once you've got PowerPoint open, go to your existing PowerPoint presentation. Locate the file and open it up, as this animation will be added to one of your slides. Next, click on the slide that contains the elements you want to animate. It could be a slide with images, text, or any other objects you have placed there. If you haven't already positioned your elements, take a moment to set them up just how you want. Now the trick to creating the animation effect is in duplicating this slide. Go ahead and duplicate your slide. You can do this by right-clicking on the slide thumbnail on the left side of your screen, selecting Duplicate Slide from the options. This duplicated slide is where the magic will start happening. On the duplicated slide, you'll want to move your elements slightly. Think about the flow of motion you want. It could be text moving to the left or right, images sliding slightly up or down, whatever fits your narrative. The difference in position between your original slide and this duplicated one is what will create the animation effect once we apply the transition. Once your elements are where you want them in the duplicated slide, head up to the toolbar and click on the Transition tab. This is where you'll find a variety of transitions that add flair between your slides. We're interested in a specific one today, so let's find and select the Morph transition. It's the powerhouse behind giving your elements that smooth animated movement. Morph Transition is a fantastic tool for visually impressive slides because it intelligently figures out how to animate between the different positions of your slide elements, creating a seamless effect. Apply the Morph Transition to the duplicated slide, and then click on the Preview button in the toolbar. Watch as your slides transform with a smooth and animated transition. With this method, you've animated your slide effectively, and you can adjust as needed by tweaking positions or adding more elements. It's quick, easy, and gives your presentation that professional touch with minimal effort. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and don't forget to practice these steps to make your presentations shine. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.